Modifications for a standing lift. Traditionally for this standing lift, we set up sideways to our tonal, straight arms, turn the weight on, and bring the weight up and across, rotating your torso. If that doesn't work for you, we can modify doing the same setup and doing a partial lift. Maybe you can't lift your arms all the way overhead, but you can do a partial lift. That's okay. The other option is to do a pay-loft press. So for this one, let me move my bench out of the way here. For this one, you'll set up a couple of feet away from tonal, turn your weight on, rotate an inch or two just from the waist up, back to the center, bring it into your chest, press out, rotate an inch or two in towards tonal, and back out to the center. And pay-loft press is an exercise that we have on tonal, so you can also, if you're on your tonal, you can hit that arrow next to the movement and you can replace it, or you can just adjust this for yourself. So those are modifications for the standing lift.